Recently, I've been suffering with low storage on this computer of mine. I'm dual booting. I have Ubuntu and I also have Windows. So I got some 160 GB and then I gave it to Ubuntu such that I can do some work from Ubuntu. Then I can dual boot and go back to Windows. But then Ubuntu was getting a bit full. I was left with a few GBs of storage. Then I looked for what was taking my space, but I couldn't find it. So I have OpenClaw on my computer. Then I went to OpenClaw and I asked it, what is eating up the space on my device? Then it did some uh, checking. Then I found out that I was having almost 81% full, and that data could be got rid of. So among the data I found that Google Chrome downloaded an AI model that was taking over almost 4 GB of my data of my space without me knowing. So this is how you're going to do it. Probably on your computer, you're also having this 4 GB downloaded, but you don't know and you're probably not using it. So you go to your Chrome and then at the top right, you tap and go to settings. Under settings, you click on system and then you'll find this feature on device AI turned on. So this, when turned on, it takes over 4 GB of storage, having AI features that you don't necessarily use. So you turn this off, and when you turn it off, by the time you reboot your device and come back, you have freed 4 GB that you haven't been even using.